Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the side length of a cube whose surface area is given. Here we have a problem which says find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 square centimeters. The total surface area of a cube is 6 times a square, where a is the side of the cube or the side length of the cube which we are going to find out. So we will be using this formula to find the total surface area of the cube. So here in this question, we have been given the surface area of the cube which is 600 square centimeters. And we need to find the side length of the cube which is A, which is question mark. So surface area here is 600 square centimeters. Also, we have formula for surface area as 6a square. So 6a square will be equal to 600 centimeters. And we are finding a square, so that will be a square equals 600 divided by 6. So this 6 and 6 will get cancelled and we will get the value of a square as 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. So the value of a or the side length of cube is 10 centimeters. This is how we can find the side length of any cube when surface area is given. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.